Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and today in this video we will discuss about visa process for PLAB 2. So guys, this is very important video. Please watch this video carefully so that there will be no problem in your visa process. Thank you very much. So guys, first of all, you have to open any browser and you will visit a link that is www.gov.uk. Once you will click on that link, this type of the page will be open in front of you. You will directly go there and you have to select that visa and immigration. So you will click on the visa and immigration, then you will select the visit the UK. Okay, visa and immigration, visit the UK. Then third thing, you will click on the visit the UK as a standard visitor. Okay, once you will click on the visit the UK as a standard visitor, then you have to click on the apply for the standard visitor visa. Okay, apply for standard visitor visa, then you will move down and then you will click on the apply now. This is very simple process. If you watch this video, this will clear all the queries, all the ambiguities in the process. So first of all, you will select the language. This is definitely English language, and then we will move to the next step. Okay, after selection of the language, we will click on the next step. So here he is asking select the country to provide your biometrics. Definitely I am from Pakistan. I will write here Pakistan. Okay, so we will select the country. After selecting the country, we will click on the next button. So here we can easily see there is a Pakistan. I have identified the location where I will provide the biometrics. So after clicking this, we will click on the next, click on the start now. Okay, so this is start now. Here I will start a new application. I will select on the new application. So here we will enter our email. You can see here we will enter our email. Okay, so after putting the email and after giving the password, we will move on to the application process. So after giving the email address, then we will move to the application. We will fill the application, we will provide all the details, then we will move to the documents, and after moving to the document, we will have to agree with the terms and condition in the declaration option. So on the fifth point, we will pay the fee, that is almost £100, and then we will have to do some further action. So now in the video I will tell you that how we will proceed further. So now I will tell you about the application process from this downloaded application. You can once your online process of the application will be done. Okay, so here you can see in the downloaded application all the details of me are given, and you can easily see everything here. You can see the email address, you can see the personal information as well. So here in this downloaded application I would like to mention some few information which is very important. So we will first of all we will talk about the travel information. So here you have to select what is the main reason for your visit to the UK. So please select in the business box. You have to select business. The reason for visit to UK, you have to select business for an OSCE exam. This is very important. 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 You have to keep in your mind that while you are going to fill the online application of PLAB 2, you will select the reason of the business. Reason of the visit is business, and in the subcategory of the business you will select on the PLAB and OSCE exam. This is very important. You have to keep this information in your mind. Then boys, we will talk about your plan of the travel, which date you are going and on which date you will travel back. Your personal information will be there. Then they will ask you regarding your some other information like passport details. They will ask, and they will ask him your spouse or the partner details. They will ask dependent details. They will ask parent details, detail of your father, detail of your mother. They will also ask about your employment detail. If you are doing employment in any hospital, you have to provide all the details here. Ask about your income and expenditures as well. So please you have to give all these details with truth. Don't lie in this type of details. So then they will also ask you about the accommodation details. You are going to UK for PLAB 2 examination. Either you have booked your accommodation or not. You have to book your accommodation, then you will be able to fill this application form. First you have to download book your accommodation in UK. After that they will also ask you about travel history. If you have some travel history to UK or some other countries, then you have to mention here as well. Then there are some other information which which are very easy, and you will be easily understand these information once you will be doing this application process. Okay, then there is another important thing, that is documents. So there should be two documents which are very necessary. Apart from these documents, you will not be able to fulfill this application. Number one is the passport or the travel document. Number two is the evidence of your funds. You are going to UK for PLAB 2 examination. Definitely there should be some funds in your account, and you should have the evidence of those funds. Okay, okay. Then after that, there will be payment option, and you have to pay the fee of this application, which is 23,570 Pakistani rupees. Then there is a consent box. You have to take the consent in the declaration. Then there will be the end of the application. So now guys, I will mention here that we have done with the start. We have registered our email, we have done with the application, we have done with the documents, we have done with the declaration, we have paid the fees, and so in the first section now I will tell you onward. So guys, when you will submit this application, you will receive an email on the given email address from the UK Visa and Immigration. So you will open that email, and in that email a link would be given with the name of visitor visa. You will click on that link of the visitor visa, and this application will be open in front of you. So in this application, you can see that this page will open in front of you. You will resume your application, and then you will move, and you can download your checklist and your biometric and appointments. So you will download these two forms, and you will proceed for your application further. So this page will open in front of you. Here you can book your appointment, we have selected the Karachi center, and after selection of the center we will click on the continue. So here you can see we can book our appointment on the given center in the given date. Like we have seen the dates available and unavailable. In available dates we have just 14th of April, so we have selected this date. After date selection we will move forward, and we can see that two types of two options are there. First one is the standard, that is free, and the other one is the premium lounge, which will charge almost 51 pound almost. So we have done for the free standard, and after clicking this we will click on the continue. Okay, then they will tell you about the services they provide. They provide a lot of services, but honestly speaking, I will tell you that please try to scan your document by your own. Try to scan your document by your own and upload your document by your own. This is very important. I took only two services. Let me tell you about that services. I took the courier services for my passport, and I took the SMS service. On the SMS they will inform you, they will brief you, they will tell you that where your process of your visa is. Okay, so but honestly speaking, I never received a message from that service. Even I never received even a single message. So this is very important, that you have to give your courier address, and you have to it's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. You can get any of these services. You can see there are a lot of fees of these services, but I only took courier service, and I only took the SMS service. So after selection of these services, you will click on the go button. You will click on the continue button. Once you will click on the continue button, then they will ask you about the courier address, and you have to give the courier address. Okay, then they will ask you about the payment detail. You can review your application, you can edit your application, you can edit your address, and you can edit anything if you want. So this is the last step where you can edit your application. So after addition, if there is no need of any addition, then you will definitely move on, and here it will be clearly written that how much pounds you have to pay. It depends which services you are taken. So you will pay, click on the pay now. Once you will click, this page will be open in front of you, and you can easily pay. So the payment is done, and we will receive a message, thank you for booking with us. So our appointment is there, and the date is 14th of the April 2022. So please keep in mind, as we have selected the option of the self upload, we have to upload our documents 24 hours before the appointment date. That is, we can upload our documents till the 30th of the April. Okay, so this is very important. You have to keep in mind, if you have for uploading of the documents, you should have the scanned form of those documents. If you have scanned form, you can go for the upload right now. If you don't have the scanned form with you, then you can move to your account, and you can log out your account after moving to your account. So please keep in mind that you should have all the documents in the scanned form to upload it. So now I will tell you that how you will upload your documents. You will go to your email, you will again log into your account. Here you can see that you can check your appointment details, your application details, and you can self upload your documents as well. So you will select the self upload. Here you can see you can view the uploaded documents which I have already uploaded, and you can upload more documents. So first of all, I will move to view my documents which I have just uploaded. So you can see here I have uploaded a lot of documents. You can see all these documents. Please keep in mind that for visa application, the documents for finance and documents of your identity, that is passport, are necessary. Apart from these documents, you can upload as much document as you want. So you can upload as much document as you want to strengthen your application. So you can see I have uploaded a lot of documents here. So if I want to upload more documents, so I will click on the upload more documents. So you will see that I have clicked on the upload more documents. You can see that in which portion I have to upload documents. So I have uploaded accommodation, educational details. I will upload the documents in the additional documents section. So I will click on the choose files. So I will go into my gallery, into my computer, and I will upload some documents. Here in this way you can see that we will upload the document. So here you can see that document is uploaded. I have uploaded a document of my brother. Here I can add some more documents. So in this way guys, you can add as much documents as you can, because these documents are very necessary to strengthen your application. So please keep in mind, you can upload as much document as you can. You can upload your own document, your family documents, your educational documents, your father documents, and passport of your family registration certificate. A lot of documents. You can see a lot of details, a lot of lists which I have uploaded. So here, after uploading these files, you will go to the bottom of this file, and here you will click on the upload and save the files. So after uploading, you will log out.